Axon P2408 Intellectual Voltage Stabilization Power Box, integrated with 5 core functions. It comes. Open the package. There is an intellectual voltage stabilization power box, a banana head crocodile clip, a grounding wire and a power cord. Connect the grounding wire to the banana head female seat on the back of the box, and then connect the power supply. There is a Type-C interface on the side. When new function released, connect the box to PC via this interface. Upgrade the firmware on Axon platform to enjoy the new functions. Power on the box, the welcome interface support customized setting. Now let's see the home page. The home page consists of 4 parts. Top bar. On the left is the product model P2408, in the middle is the startup time display, and on the right is the version number. When new version released, users can check their current version and upgrade in need. The other 3 parts are functional blocks. On the left is PD plus QC protocol output, which supports Apple, Android, fast charging, and testing. On the top right is the full protocol of 4V plus Apple battery, which supports one-click boot of iPhone motherboard without restart. On the bottom right is DC power supply, with adjustable 2V8A range output, which is suitable for computer, tablet and mobile phone maintenance. Encoder cap, for function switching and confirmation. Rotary for function switch, press for selection. ESC key for language switching and return. Short press for return, long press for language switching. The left Type-C and USB interfaces for mobile phone fast charging. The right USB interface for power on. The 2 banana head mother seats for DC power output. Now we choose the mobile phone fast charging. Press the encoder cap to confirm selection. Connect the iPhone to the box with the Apple fast charging line. Box starts to charge the iPhone. The charging current, voltage, power displays on screen synchronously. Connect the Android mobile to the box with the Android fast charging line. Box starts to charge the mobile. The charging current, voltage, power displays on screen synchronously. Fast charging performs best when the phone power is less than 80%, when the mobile phone power is sufficient, or the tail plug replaced before, the effect may be affected. PD and QC 3.0 fast charging cannot be used at the same time, which will affect the accuracy of the test. Press ESC to return to the main interface. Rotate the encoder cap to select the boot function, and press for selection. Boot line and boot flex cable are optional for sale. Boot flex cable is divided into 3 series, which are sold with 1 boot line respectively. The boot line is composed of 5 welding wires, which are respectively connected to the 5 solder plates on the boot flex cable. We use color to distinguish the boot line, and letters to distinguish the solder plates. Red yellow connect to Y, green to Y, yellow to G, blue to B, red to R. The letter positions may be different for different models of the boot flex cable, but the colors of each boot line are the same, so we only need to remember the letters represented by each color, and then weld them one by one. Let's view the boot interface. The selected setting on the top corresponds to the icons at the bottom. The selected icon shows blue, and the rotary encoder cap can switch selection. The first is the alarm current setting. When the motherboard booting current reaches the set parameters, it will give a buzzer alarm prompt. Press the encoder cap, rotate to left for decrease and right to increase. Setting per need, then press to confirm. The second is the current range setting. 300 mA small range is dedicated to display small current and small leakage measurement, 3A4 boot current display, and 5A4 display large boot current, boot leakage, and other faults measurement during maintenance. The third is current display mode. The 3 display modes of dial, digital and curve can be switched arbitrarily. The fourth is 1 key boot. Press the encoder cap to boot the single board with 1 key. This is the iPhone 13 Pro motherboard. Let's connect it to the box with the boot line. Now it's the dial display. We could switch to digital or curved display. Whichever you prefer. Press ESC to return to the home page. Now let's check the parameter setting. The rotary encoder cap adjusts the parameters of output voltage in the unit of 0.1V by default. In the process of power supply, the output voltage can be adjusted at any time by the encoder cap rotary. Therefore, we should press the encoder cap to confirm the current voltage, and then rotate the encoder cap to select the function setting. The first is fast voltage setting. There are 27 common voltage parameters for maintenance. We could rotate and efficiently choose the common output voltage between 0.5V to 4V. The second is maximum output current setting. When used for power supply output, it will alarm when the current reaches the set parameter. The third is current range setting, for adjusting the displayed range. The fourth is burning, for turning on the burning function. The fifth is current display mode, for switching the display mode of current and voltage. Connect the banana head to the box. Pay attention to match the color. Let's demo with a small fan, and clamp the crocodile clip to the fan's power supply line, corresponding to color. Let's adjust the voltage to 10V. Press to confirm. Now the fan has been turned on, however, the box keeps alarm. Press ESC to return to the home page. It prompts short circuit. Let's enter the DC power supply interface, and turn off the power supply. Let's look at the maximum output current setting here, which is only 0.1A. We adjust to 0.3A. Here we can see that when the actual current of the small fan drops from more than 300 mA at the beginning to around 200 mA, the box stops alarming. We could switch to digital or curved display mode for view. We use tin wire for demonstration. Note, the burning function can only use the digital display mode. In other display modes, when the burning function is turned on, it will automatically jump to the digital display mode. 0.5F, 0.9V, 1V and 1.8V in the fast voltage belong to the common burning voltage, which can also be directly adjusted in the home page. We adjust it to 1.8V and long press the encoder cap. The current displays red, indicating the burning function is on. Connect the tin wire with 2 crocodile clips, and the tin wire is fused. The box stops power supply due to line interruption, and the current and voltage return to the disconnected state. Connect the boot box to the smart power supply. Press the encoder cap to turn on the power supply. Turn on the boot box. Rotate the encoder cap to the current reset setting. Press the encoder cap to reset the battery data of the boot box. When the box output current is greater than 5A, the back fan will turn on automatically. When the current is less than 5A, the fan will turn off automatically.